Yo guys, happy new year, and I hope you had a good Christmas and stuff. And I'm saying it a bit late, but literally guys, I haven't had no time to do anything. Been up and down, as you guys know as well. I did have a little boy, so yeah, we've got a little Savage on the team as well guys, so yeah man, I'm stoked, you know. But yeah, I've just put this little intro in beforehand because I've literally just got the clips like kind of chopped up, and I did accidentally delete some footage. I was going through my phone trying to get rid of some old content and whatever, and then I deleted the videos that I kind of needed basically to show you guys. But I mean, it's only little bits. Like I've kind of just edited it in a way where I can't even talk, man. Edited it in a way where you know, you still see that the basic concept of what I'm doing and stuff like that. But you know, if it looks a bit chopped up in places, I do apologize, but I have explained to you why, as to why. So yeah man, I hope you guys are good, and yeah man, just keep supporting, please guys man, keep supporting. The channel is growing slow, it's very slow, but like I said man, I'm going to be trying to put out at least 2 videos a week now. I just don't want to bore you guys with, you know, when I haven't got any content basically. I just don't want to bore you guys, so put in the comments or just, you know, on Instagram message me or something. Let me know what you want to see and I'll try and get it done man, because you know, I'm trying to get this channel to grow. With you guys help as well, I know we can boost it up, so just stay tuned man, stay tuned, and drop a thumbs up, share it up with your friends and family and whatnot. Obviously, as you know, we are in the UK, we are in another lockdown as well, so yeah man, it is one of them ones, but we just have to strive through it. And yeah, I'm gonna put some content out for you guys just so you can stay with the journey and whatnot. Yeah, I'll struggle out here in the cold for you guys, so we'll get it. But anyway, yeah, this footage was recorded just after Christmas, I believe. It might have been just before, but yeah, I'm just trying to basically get it out there just to share what I've done with the car and stuff like that. Phantom, I keep saying yeah, it's gonna get done, it's gonna get done, but literally both cars have been on the back burner guys. Like literally both cars have been on the back burner. Like we're waiting on parts from America as well. It's crazy, like everything's just slow at the moment, so bear with us man, but we are getting stuff done. But like I said man, just please bear with us and we'll get some good content out for you guys. So this year's gonna be good man, this year's gonna be good man. So like I said, stay tuned, keep supporting, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace. So yes guys, here is where I'm at. Just got the windows tray cleaned up and bolted on, and now I'm just installing the oil pump. I just have to give it a thorough clean out because there's quite a few shavings in there, so I just took it all apart, gave it a proper blowout, some brake cleaner and stuff. But yeah, right now 4-piston oil pump's going back in, and then I'm going to get the chain on, guides and all that stuff, and then we can move on to the actual cam timing. So yeah, Blocky's getting there guys, Blocky's getting there, so stay tuned. So yeah guys, I was installing the oil pump and I did forget the chain, and to remove this guide as well, because obviously once you're gonna have to pivot this back a little bit, and then you can get the pump around the actual gear itself, like the chain around the gear itself, but obviously it won't allow me to get enough swing. So yeah, just removed that guide right here. So yeah, here we have it, she's on. So I just need to put the just torque this all down, then we can put the guides on and the tensioner, and that'll be that. So yeah man, stay tuned. I can't actually record anything because I'm a one-man band, got no one here man. So yeah, I'm gonna crack on with this guys and I'll let you know. So yeah guys, I kind of just went ahead and attacked this. So yeah, here we have it, it's all timed up, pressure feels amazing. So yeah man, just gonna set the valve clearances in a minute and then be ready to get the side cover on. I just need to get the sump cleaned out also, and then that can go back on as well. But for now, I'm quite happy with that guys. So yeah, let's get it guys. Just a little update, it's the next day And as you can see, I've set all the well, you can't see, but I've set all the valve lashes. I just went 0.007 on the intake and 009 on the exhaust. But yeah, it's all good, it's all timed up, everything's sweet. So yeah, right now just gonna get the sump on. So as you can see, just gave it a clean out. It was covered in shavings, but yeah, that's all good and that's ready to go on. So I've just got some I haven't got no Honda Bond, but this stuff is excellent. So yeah, gonna get the sump on now. I'm gonna flip the engine over, get the sump on, and then yeah boy. But yeah man, one step closer guys, one step closer. Once the sump is on, I'm just gonna take the starter off and then give the block a little paint as well while it's off. Sorry, while it's out. Just saves me doing it while it's in. It'll just look a little tidier as well. But yeah man, stay tuned guys. So yes guys, I don't know where I left off, but today's a new day. Bubbly, we're on it. So this is a little something from our sponsor, as you can see, XR Racing. So I'm not going to be opening this right now. I'm going to get up the garage first and then can show you a little bit around and what I've been up to and stuff. But yeah, this is a vital part of the build that I need, so big thanks to XR Racing. But like I said man, you'll see it in a minute. Any of your Honda needs, any performance part really man, just get in contact with them. And you can use obviously my code at SavagePerformanceUK for 10% off any product on their website, so keep that in mind. But yeah guys, I'll see you in a minute. So yes guys, just got to the garage. As you can see, I need to have a little tidy up, I know, but yeah, most of the way there with the engine now. Just a few little bits to tidy up, and I'm just waiting for the oil cooler housing, as my old one did have some shavings in it, just for a precautionary kind of thing. I just said, you know what, buy the bullet and get a new one. So yeah, but I'm going to be opening up my package from XR Racing now, so stay tuned. So yes guys, as you can see right now, yeah, with this centre feed manifold, I did have to take this to PT Racing just to get TIG welded up, but big thanks to Delford as usual. So yeah, he sorted that out for me. So my centre feed should clear this now. Normally it's just a PCV valve, I believe, that sits here. It's basically for your crankcase pressure, but as you know, I am running the dash 10 lines out of the rocker cover, so I need to sort out a catch can set up somewhere in this bay. But yeah, we'll get that situated when it comes to it. But yeah, for the most part, I'm basically just going to silicone this up, get it on, and yeah, we can open up our little package. As you can see here guys, got the XR Racing Alternator Relocation kit. So yeah, I'm going to get this opened up with you guys and I'll show you. But first, like I said, I'm going to silicone the water pump housing up and then get it on the engine itself, and then we can go from there. So stay tuned guys. Alright, so yes guys, here we have it. As you can see on here, it does say clearance purple. I basically bought one of their display models on, you know, simple fact, it was a bit cheaper as well, so I just said fuck it, we'll get that one. And he hooked it up with a lovely purple sticker, because as you guys know, jeez, big thanks to Matt man. Like I said, 10% off, SavagePerformanceUK discount code. So yeah, big thanks to XR man, my sponsor, always hooking it up. And he also hooked me up with the Christmas special t-shirt. Big respect guys, big respect. Looks awesome man, I like that. Trust me man, give the boys a follow, XR Racing UK, and like I said, SavagePerformanceUK discount code man. Always hook it up for me and always hook it up for you man, so plug them up. So yeah, this is the Alternator Relocation kit. Comes with a Gates belt, all that good jazz. So what I'm going to do is just get all these little nuggets out and then get everything laid out, and I can show you guys properly, so stay tuned. Yes guys, here we have it, all fitted up, the XR Racing Alternator Relocation kit. So it was pretty easy to install, pretty straightforward. So if you guys ever do purchase one and you need help, just give me a, well, give either them a shout or give me a shout. But yeah man, pretty straightforward to install, and it does look very neat, very neat. Well yeah man, I can't fault this. It just looks amazing guys, with the purple and the black. Purple, whew, looks awesome man, I can't wait, cannot wait. So yeah, man, literally, like I said, I'm just waiting for the oil cooler housing, and then you can get it in the car, really. In truth, I could get it in now, just don't want to be under there faffling about with stuff, and getting that pipe on along the side as well is a bit of a bastard, so I'm just going to wait for that, and then we can get that installed. And then tomorrow I'm going to be painting the gearbox as well. Probably just going to go black as well with that, paint the brackets silver, and yeah, that will practically be ready to go in. Yeah, man, I'm hyped, guys. You know I'm hyped. When I can't talk properly, I'm hyped. And I also have a couple little bits on the way, man, so stay tuned. Yeah, stay tuned.